Okay, today I'm covering another protest. Yesterday I did one in LA. I suggest if you guys are thinking of going to a protest, you never been to one, go to a small one. You know, right now here I'm in the city of Claremont, and it's an anti-ICE protest. So the small ones like this, a little more, they're not so violent, not so bad. So I suggest you guys start off with a local one or a small one before you end up going like to the big city like LA or something like that. Okay? One thing I forgot to mention in my last video, things you should bring with you. Bring some water. I suggest bringing a mask. Now, some advice I would give you: if you start seeing smoke, like gases being spread out, don't go towards it. Wait until it settles down, then it should be okay. But take a mask just in case. Okay, we reached the protest. As you can see on the smaller ones, they become main street. They'll start crossing the street with their signs to make sure, they're seen. But they are following the law. They are using the crosswalk and they are waiting for says walk. So that's what I'm saying, they don't get so disorganized. The small ones like this, it's a good place to start. So look for interesting things like this man right here sitting in the chair. It's awesome with that sign. Like here's your peace sign. Say peace back. Make sure you move around from side to side, usually when they're going across the street. That way, you'll get different angles and stuff. So make sure that you move around with the crowd. They walk, you walk. Make sure you guys capture all the signs here. You'll get creative. Well, I'm leaving now. I've been here for about 35 minutes. After a while, these pictures just repeat themselves. I usually try to leave early from an event like this because if there's any rowdy people, usually at the ends when they act up. So I always try to leave. I mean, you can capture it if that's what you want to capture, but I've been through it a few times and I'd rather just get the protesters.